Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're comparing two popular platforms, Coffee and Buy Me a Coffee. Both are great for creators to get support from their followers, but which one is better for your needs? Quick disclaimer before we dive in, remember that this is just my personal opinion based on research. First up, we have Coffee. It's a platform where creators can receive a one-time or monthly donations. One of its best features is the no platform fee on one-time donations, meaning you get to keep 100% of the money. Coffee also offers membership options for creators who want to set monthly subscription plans for their fans. They provide creators with the ability to sell digital goods and services directly. Coffee has a more minimalist design and is super easy to set up. You also get more flexibility in terms of the content you can create and sell it on the platform. Next, we have Buy Me a Coffee. This one works similarly, allowing creators to receive one-time donations and set up monthly memberships. However, unlike Coffee, Buy Me a Coffee takes a 5% platform fee on all transactions. That said, they offer extra features like the ability to add goal tracking, helping you set up specific targets for your supporters to reach. But they also have more integrated tools for creators who want to build a more interactive and professional platform. Buy Me a Coffee is known for its user-friendly interface and has some neat features for creators who want to engage their audience, such as members-only posts and the ability to sell digital products. So which one is better? It really depends on what you're looking for. If you want to keep 100% of your donations and don't mind a more minimal setup, Coffee is the way to go. However, if you're looking for more advanced tools like goal tracking and a smoother membership experience, Buy Me a Coffee might be a better fit, even with that small platform fee. In my opinion, Coffee is perfect for creators just starting out or those who want simplicity, while Buy Me a Coffee is great for creators who need a bit more structure and features. And that's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.